the best experience as an undergrad at Rutgers. It really prepared me for the real world in terms of how I presented myself and how to articulate myself as a professional. Working in risk management space in financial services at a big bank, you're continuously challenged and the space is continuously changing. To keep up with the demand of that, you have to challenge yourself as well. I was greatly challenged by my peers from pharma, healthcare, engineering, consulting to leverage their insight, and hearing their perspective broadened my horizon and made me a better risk manager. I took classes, for example, strategy, and I was able to translate that at work. I worked with risk and controls and governance and framework, and I think that made me more efficient and effective in what I do. The best ROI is the network of Rutgers. Everyone, whether my current classmates or the past classmates, they're always accessible and willing to help